Hey, random people out there on the internet. So if you watched the last video, you probably thought to yourself, well, he sure got quiet there at the end. Well, yeah, my mic died. User error, it's all up to me. In any event, the last video, I cut a track in for one side of my miter saw and got a little bit off and whatnot. So I went ahead and I made some sawdust and glue to fill in that space there. I got to let it dry up good, and then I'll come back and sand it. I might have to reapply, but it works good. My thing runs real well in there. So I went ahead and I did the same thing to the other side, and this one went much smoother. It's amazing what you can learn the second or third time you do something. In this case, this is the main reason I wanted to put the T-track in there, is to be able to hold a project still. Like if I'm doing a chamfer edge or a round over or something like that, this will hold it nice and tight by just using those clamps, so the project doesn't move around while I'm trying to work on it. And inversely, you could also, if you wanted to cut this thing off here and you didn't want to hold it, which seems kind of silly to me, but hey, if the opportunity presents itself, you can hold it down like that there, so that you don't have to worry about that board moving around. That plus your regular clamp. In any event, you're seeing what I'm doing here. The next project I have is to go ahead and put a new finish on this MDF here. I'm going to be using lacquer like I did on my last one. You can look back a couple of videos and you can see me working on that. In any event, that's the thing I've been putting off for probably a year. I don't like doing finished work of any kind. I'm not worried about the look, but I need for it to be smooth so I can slide stuff around on it without it doesn't, get caught up on it and whatnot. So anyway, as always, I sure appreciate your views and comments, and be tuning back in here in the next few days, and we'll see how this thing comes out. In the meantime, as always, stay safe.